Und der Toni, der ist fort, gell? Crime Scene. Mit bei der Crime Scene. Ein Fußabdruck. Aha.
I'd rather not touch it. It's very fragile.
Ja, Bristol Gratnik. Moet ihn up.
The gravedigger had rubber boots, but these shoes were definitely smaller. I should make a cast. If it starts raining, all clues will be gone.
Du, warte mal. Mit dem Gips.
It should be enough.
Aha, hätte besser.
The gravedigger had rubber boots. I should make a cut. I'd rather not touch it. It's very fragile.
Ja, ich sag da, ich brauche Wasser, oder? Da beim Brunnen, Nicke, außer Betrieb.
I've already seen it. Nothing.
Not special. Der hat dahinter komme ich nimmer. Aber ich sag da eins, das wird nochmal von Bedeutung, oder? Hätte ich gesagt. Zu einem späteren Zeitpunkt. Und Kater, Neuigkeiten?
I'll come back when I need something.
Anik. Dann mach ich immer zurück. Und da hat er jetzt, was ist das da? Da der Louis Männer. Aha, das ist neu. Peephole.
If I stand in the right place, nobody could see me. I cannot get rid of the feeling that someone is watching me all the time.
Herr Brüttel, Motor in die Dosen, wir leiten.
How can I help you?
Good day, miss. I'm from the police. Detective Briscoe. I need to talk to the lady of this house.
Lady won't have any visitors. It's her order.
I didn't come for a cup of tea. This is a police investigation.
But I don't know. You'll get me into trouble.
You'll be in trouble if you don't open the door.
Do you have any warrant card?
Well, I do not, but I am from the police. Trust me.
Anybody could say that. I'm sorry, I won't open it.
What if I came back with it later?
Nope. Never. I won't be fired twice.
So you won't help me?
Just show me your warrant card or stay where you are, but I won't wait long.
The maid is afraid of being fired. She won't open the door just like that.
Also in jeden Deppen lustig nicht gerne. Ja, im Grunde fehlt mir mein Ausweis, oder?
If I stand in the right place.
Und Bristol, was möchtest du machen? Möchtest du rumtricksen? Ja, unwahrscheinlich, oder? Braucht einen Diamanten, kann ich dir bestiegen? Ah, nicht, oder? Also, wo mir sagt, ich muss zurück. Ich brauche diesen depperten Ausweis. Und Policeman, wie schaut denn aus mit dem Ausweis?
Do you know, officer, I have had just about enough.
Don't know what you mean, sir.
You will go and get my warrant card now, and I don't care how you do it.
But that's absolutely out of the question, sir.
Oh, it is impossible for me to interrogate because I cannot show my card.
I'm trying to understand, sir. I really don't know.
You know what? Get up and make it happen. Yes? If not, I will make sure you stand guard at the cemetery starting tomorrow. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. I'll try. Be right back.
Und, Mann?
This is how to speak to him.
Ja, schön, jo. Ein Flotterbengel. Mit dem macht den Houdini.
I've got it, sir. They just forgot to deliver it to me.
Ah, good news. At least for you.
You have to excuse me, but I really had no idea.
I forgive you. Calm down. It was not your fault.
Thank you. Just wondering, were you serious about standing guard at the cemetery?
Also, Monster quatsch ich rum. Er ruckt den Ausweis aus.
Very serious. But it's all solved now. Forget it.
Mein Ausweis? Ja, du schon. Ja. Sehen wir jetzt worden. Und den Cutie Puttimann, oder? Bleib rein nochmal. Das bedeutet, zurück zu den Louis. Ja, man, ich kann da ein bisschen besser ausschauen. Chefin, bin zurück. Und zwar mit Ausweis. Nugel eingehen.
Here you are. This is my warrant card. It is in your own interest to cooperate with me.
Oh, babe,
Do
dachte
you
das.
trust me then?
I suppose so, but I'd better ask the lady first.
Stay here and open the gate. I'll talk to the lady myself.
All right then, come in.
Jetzt wenn die einfach dann dritte der Tür, ey.
I have to tell the lady you're here, but I don't know if she wants to talk to you.
Tell her, please. It's urgent. It is about Sir William.
Oh, I thought so. Right way. Please follow me then. My lady ordered me not to let anybody in, but I'll make an exception as you are from the police.
Thank you.
But you'll have to promise me to stay here. I'll be right back, and don't touch anything.
I promise. Tell Lady Miriam that I have urgent news, which I wish to discuss personally.
That won't work. My lady refuses to see anybody in person. If she wishes to speak to you, she'll call you from the workroom. Wait at the telephone, please.
Ja, Putzfrau, quatsch dich rum. Hol die blöde Kuh her.
Lady Miriam is as mysterious as her grandson. The interview with her probably won't be easy.
So, Mr. Briscoe. Da ist ein Telefon. Da haben sie es abdeckt. Und da drunten. Schau mich noch.
I'll just have a look. Nobody would mind.
Ein Diamant, das ist ja. Hat das Ähnlichkeit schön?
Oh my god. The gem I found in the tomb is the same as the one in this ring. It can't be a coincidence. Sir William must have been buried with it. I wonder where the ring is now.
Excuse me, sir, what are you doing there?
Nothing, only looking.
Milady won't accept any personal appointments.
But I need to speak to her.
If you wait for a moment, she'll call you here.
Right here?
Yes, sir. You can sit down if you want.
No, thank you. There's no time for me to be sitting around.
Ja, Babe. Ich schau mich gerne ein bisschen um. Geht das?
Not
Nein.
without a good reason and a proper
Ja, also gut.
one.
Geh ein Telefon.
Good day, madam. Detective Sergeant Briscoe, at your service. I'd like to offer my deepest sympathy, but I also have bad news for you. Ah, my superior has already talked to you. I apologize. He probably forgot to tell me. So let's proceed to the problem. I have several questions, but if you don't mind, I would prefer to discuss them with you in person. I see. Only via the telephone, as you wish. May I ask then whether it is true that you commanded that Sir William's coffin must stay closed during the entire funeral? I'm sorry, madam, but I have to ask questions, unfortunately. I'd be grateful if you could help me, and if you'd kindly answer my other questions as well. Yes, it is a logical justification. Were these physical deformities the cause of, let's say, the unpopularity of Sir William? I understand people are superstitious, but I'd never expect Father Mulcahy to be against a burial. Did he say why? I understand you didn't agree with him. Cremation was unthinkable. I can imagine how difficult it must have been for you. I understand, and I don't want to nag at you. So far, it's enough. Thank you for your time.
I think she's a very smart lady. She knows exactly what to do to avoid saying any more than she wants to. Maybe a few facts that are probably of low importance, but one never knows. For instance, why Father Mulcahy wanted the body cremated.
A very smart lady. Und wo sitzt die? Im Keller? Bei Dorferruft? Wie schaut denn aus, möchte ich noch mit dem telefonieren? Da geht nichts mehr. Geht definitiv. Ja, ist ja gut. Was wollten Sie noch? Hey, Püpfrau! Was wolltest du noch?
How long have you been working for the Lewis family?
I'm here only since this morning. Can you tell?
No, not at all. Was it hard to get this job?
I guess I shouldn't say, but that Lady Miriam can be picky.
Why? Money issues?
I hope not, but do you know the rumours about Sir William?
I've heard something.
No wonder people are scared.
But you are not.
Had no choice. But if something goes wrong, I'll run away. Just don't tell me, lady.
I need to talk to Lady Miriam. Would you show me the way?
But sir, I already explained to you, it's impossible. If she wishes to talk to you, then only via the telephone.
I see. I just need to know who signed Sir William's death certificate and what the cause of death was. It would be best to talk to the family doctor.
I will ask, but Milady's really busy at the moment. Wait a minute.
Had I not heard the voice on the phone, I would think there is actually no Lady Miriam. And really the maid is the only person living here.
Und jetzt? 24 Stunden später, oder was?
I'm afraid Milady doesn't wish to speak to you.
Did she give any reason?
Don't be offended, but she said it was none of your business.
Oh, well. Do you happen to know who Sir William's personal doctor was?
I really don't know, but I wouldn't tell you anyway. Don't want to lose my job.
It's all right. I'll find the information elsewhere. Stubborn old lady. She doesn't make this any easier.
My lady, warte mal. Jetzt ruf ich noch mal an.
As the maid said, this is only a home line. I can't call anywhere else. An electric bell at the door, and now a telephone from the workroom to the hall. I had thought that the Lewis family had financial problems, but suppose I was wrong.
Es ist unter uns, bei denen laufen schief. Ich sag mal, ich muss zum Fordern. Außer, warte mal, der Rasten. Eine Fontäne. Vielleicht findet der Rasten noch
I
was.
can't see anything suspicious. I don't think anybody has used it for a long time. If there was a secret hideaway, for instance, for Sir William, where would it be?
Ich sag dir, dass der Sir William gar nicht so tot ist. Der Mann der lebt noch. Ja, dort hinterm Haus, wie schaut du aus?
Everything seems to be normal. Sir William even had a dog. Maybe I could use it. Of course, that's not a bad idea.
Use the back door. Was sagst du denn, brauchst du Wasser?
An ideal place for a murder weapon. Not for a mad murderer. It would not be a good hiding place. There's too much water in there. It does not seem to be used.
Und was hast du denn da? Ein Steckgeld, schon wieder. Und Williams Dog. Mit der Plaudern.
Not this way.
Not this way. Welcher dann?
The door has no lock, but it's not possible to open it.
Also ich glaube, da muss ich nicht gerne. Ich rede mal mit
I
ihm.
can take it like this. They wouldn't let me.
Und aufgelegt und plaudern.
So, doggy, can you help me? Can you recognize your master's smell?
Eher wenig, oder? Vielleicht sehe ich mal meine Lady, ha?
I'm not going to spy on anybody. I wouldn't see much anyway. All windows are thoroughly covered. There's no chance of sunlight getting in. I will not sneak through the house like a thief. It would do me no good.
Warum nicht?
I will not sneak through the house.
Aber, alles gut, gell? Na gut, gehen wir. Da war ja nichts mehr von Bedeutung. Und da vorne auch nicht. Ich sag da, ab zum Fordern. Ich glaub, der weiß noch was.
I'll come back when I need something.
Kater weiß nix. Also Vater, er befällig.
You know, your strange peace has the opposite effect on me. I think you're quite pleased that Sir William is no longer in your way.
What? How could you say that?
I know you are absolutely against the funeral.
That's a lie!
Tell me then, why did you insist on cremating the body?
I meant well. That is the whole truth.
Tell me, what is it like to bury a mass murderer and a monster?
That is none of your business, detective. Your questions insult me.
To bury a monster against your will insulted you as well. For things did not turn out as you wished, so you found your own way to deal with the problem.
You cannot prove that.
You had the motive, the opportunity, and no alibi. I'm sorry, but I have to ask you to stay in the tunnel.
Are you arresting me?
No, not yet, but I will return soon, and I'll be glad if I won't have to search for you then.
Ja, schau dir, Amigo. Wie an Dicken geht, der Vater. Ich glaub, der weiß was, oder?